Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to move money for your business than cutting checks or dealing with clunky online portals? What if you could streamline your payments, ensuring they arrive swiftly and securely, whether you're paying a vendor across town or a supplier on another continent? In today's fast-paced business world, efficient financial operations are not just a luxury, they're a necessity. From managing payroll to settling invoices, the speed and reliability of your money transfers directly impact your cash flow and your relationships with partners. For too long, small and medium-sized businesses have grappled with outdated methods, leading to delays, errors, and unnecessary stress. We're talking about processes that eat up valuable time, drain resources, and frankly, just aren't designed for the demands of modern commerce. Imagine the frustration of a delayed payment holding up a critical project, or the anxiety of wondering if an international transfer will actually go through without a hitch. These aren't minor inconveniences, they're significant bottlenecks that can stifle growth and undermine trust. But what if there was a platform designed specifically to alleviate these pains, to empower businesses with the tools they need to execute seamless domestic and international transfers? That's where Relay comes in. Relay isn't just another banking platform, it's a financial operating system built for businesses that demand efficiency, transparency, and control over their money. And today, we're going to dive deep into two of its most powerful features, ACH transfers and wire transfers. These aren't just fancy terms, they're the backbone of modern money movement, and understanding how to leverage them effectively within Relay can transform your financial operations. First, let's talk about ACH transfers. You've probably heard of them, perhaps even used them without realizing it. ACH stands for Automated Clearing House, and it's the electronic network used for financial transactions in the United States. Think of it as the digital highway for bank-to-bank transfers that aren't wires. This includes things like direct deposit for payroll, recurring bill payments, and even person-to-person payments through apps like Venmo. The beauty of ACH is its cost-effectiveness and reliability for domestic transactions. While not instantaneous, they are incredibly efficient for regular payments. Setting up ACH transfers in Relay is remarkably straightforward, designed with the user experience in mind. The first step, naturally, is to log into your Relay account. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section. Here, you'll see options for different types of transfers. For ACH, you'll select Send an ACH transfer. Relay will then prompt you to choose the account you want to send money from. One of Relay's standout features is its ability to create multiple accounts, making it easy to categorize and manage different streams of income and expenses. This means you can initiate an ACH transfer from your payroll account or your operations account, providing granular control over your outgoing funds. This level of organization is invaluable for reconciliation and financial reporting. Next, you'll need to specify the recipient. If you've sent money to this recipient before, their details will likely be saved, making repeat transfers a breeze. If it's a new recipient, you'll need to add their bank information. This typically includes their bank name, account number, and routing number. Relay makes this process secure and intuitive, guiding you through each field. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid any errors, as incorrect information can lead to delays or even misdirected funds. While Relay has safeguards in place, the ultimate responsibility for accurate recipient information lies with you. After the recipient is set, you'll enter the amount you wish to transfer and specify the date. Relay allows you to schedule ACH transfers for a future date, which is incredibly useful for recurring payments or for planning your cash flow in advance. For example, if you know a supplier invoice is due on the 15th of the month, you can schedule the ACH transfer to go out a few days beforehand, ensuring timely payment without having to remember it manually. You can also add an internal memo or reference note, which is invaluable for your own record keeping and for the recipient to easily identify the payment. This small detail can save a lot of back-and-forth communication. Once all the details are entered, Relay will provide a summary of the transfer for your review. This is your final opportunity to confirm everything is accurate before initiating the transfer. Once confirmed, you'll often be prompted for a two-factor authentication code, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. And just like that, your ACH transfer is on its way. Relay also provides clear status updates within your account, so you can track the progress of your payment and see when it's been successfully delivered. This transparency is a significant advantage over traditional banking systems, where tracking a payment can often feel like a black box. Now, let's shift our focus to wire transfers. While ACH transfers are excellent for domestic payments, wire transfers are the go-to for speed and for international transactions. A wire transfer is essentially an electronic transfer of funds directly from one bank account to another. Unlike ACH, which operates on a batch processing system, wires are typically sent individually and processed in near real time. This speed comes at a higher cost, but for urgent payments or international transfers where time is of the essence, wires are indispensable. Setting up a wire transfer in Relay follows a similar intuitive flow to ACH, but with some key differences, especially for international wires. Again, you'll start by logging into your Relay account and navigating to the Transfers section. This time, you'll select Send a Wire Transfer. Similar to ACH, you'll first choose the Relay account you want to send money from. This again highlights Relay's multi-account functionality, allowing you to maintain clear separation of funds. Next, you'll specify the recipient. For domestic wire transfers, you'll need their bank name, account number, and routing number, just like with ACH. However, for international wire transfers, the information required becomes more extensive due to the complexities of global banking networks. You'll typically need the recipient's full name and address, their bank's name and address, their account number, and crucially, their SWIFT/BIC code. The SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or BIC, Bank Identifier Code, is a globally recognized code that identifies specific financial institutions worldwide. It's like the international routing number for banks. Accuracy here is paramount, as an incorrect SWIFT/BIC code can lead to significant delays or even the return of funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.